flood out. Look at my car. My car done. Oh fuck. Yo, this don't look good. Become the car better. Judge you.
Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Watch water pitch. Water soon overflow the Reynolds Road Bridge. Look at water pouring down in the sandy gully. My word. Can you believe this?
Uptown this, you know? Well, it's a flood out. Well, it's a flood out.
We are here at the McGregor Gully and it's flooding over and a car is stuck. Well, this is terrible. This is not good. No, sir. This is not good. The gully come over. This is not good at all. A car stuck into it in the water. This is not good at all. Oh my God. I got me standing see it.
But what the hell?
Watch out, people. Watch out. All our station for the man. Alan, why this don't look good? See.
No man. Watch it. New gully, see it there? See him there? Oh. We just talk about it, look there. No disrespect. We just talk about this. Caving power right away. Right as we attack, the caving power. See there? Just like a while as we have video caving. Yeah, where I go?
Jamaicans are the best. This is Portmore at the moment. We're completely submerged with water. Residents are actually going to save persons now with old fridges to get out of the car.
Look on the water. Oh my gosh, watch it. The car them, look on the car them. Oh my gosh, watch it. Jesus, I'm so barra wash way. So barra nice again. Oh my God. Look on the people them house. Look on the people them house. Look there. Wee! Water. This not safe. Look at water, eh? Yeah, the water deep. The water deep bad. Yeah, reach up on my living room doorway. Over here, so flood out, you know? Over here, so. Oh my gosh, watch it. People.
No, I know where to spot them, man.
Come on, this man, now look up there, bad man. I know you come up like a joke.